Hey friends, today we're going to do something that is challenging but very fun. We're going to do two puzzles in the same time. We're going to do capital letters, big letters, the ABCs in big letters, and we're going to do the small letters, the lowercase letters, all in the same time so we can learn the ABCs both in big letters, uppercase, and small letters, lowercase. Let's start. I am looking for the letter A. Oh, look, I found big letter A. Let's see if I can find small letter A. It will not look exactly the same, right? Look, I found small letter A. Big letter A is red, and small letter A is blue. Now let's see where it goes. I'm going to do this one first. There we go. A and A. Yay! We started off good. This is fun. And I found big letter B. And look, I found small letter B. B and B. Small letter B goes right here, and it's light blue. And big letter B goes right here, and it's also light blue. What letter am I looking for now? Can you guess? C. I found big C, and it's orange. Yay! Where's the small c? I'm trying to find it. Small c, small c. Where are you? Whoops, I found you. Yay! Big C is orange and small c is red. Big C and small c. Small c goes right here and big C goes right here. Are you guys having fun? Yeah? All right. Now I'm looking for big D. Big D, I found it. And now I'm looking for small d. There it is. Big D is light green and small d is orange. D and D. Small d goes right here and big D goes right here. We're doing so well. A, B, C, D. Good job, friends. E. E. Where's small e, my friends? We found small e, and look, they're both yellow. Big E, small e. A, B, C, D, E. What comes next? F. And we get a hint for the color. You see, I'm looking for a small f that is green. Let's go find it. I'm going to find the small one first. There it is. Look. Small f and big F. This one is light green and this one is dark green. F. F. This F goes right here and this F goes right here. A, B, C, D, E, F. Great job, my friends. Now G. Where can I find small g? Oh, look, I found it. Big G is yellow and small g is green. G and G. G. There we go. Now we're looking for H. Hi, H. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? We're looking for the small ones. Have you seen it? Look over there. Okay. Oh, look. We found it and it's pink just like your shirt. How nice is that? H. H. H goes right here and H goes right here. Now I found I. Look at I and small I. Big I is purple and small I is blue. I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. J. We're looking for J. Here we go. J and J. The big J is dark blue and the small j is light blue. J and J. They're gonna go, woo! Yay! Okay, now we're looking for K. Here we go. That's the big K and the small K. This K is the big K and this K is the small K and they're red. See that? K and K. Now we're looking for L. This one is the big L and this one is the small L. Red and orange, red and orange, L. Doop de doop de doop de doop de doop. Poof. We're looking for M. M. I found the big M and I found the small m. Big M is teal and small m is yellow. M. M. And I found N. N. And I found the small n. Big N is yellow and small n is green. High five, N. Ooh, we just jumped right in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Yay, we're doing so good. And whoop! Did you see that? They're both green. Big O and small o. High five! Yay! Going right in. Yay, this is fun. Now, teal P, and I am looking for the smaller P. Found it. Yay! High five, my friend. This P is teal, and this P is red. They are both P. This one is the big P, the capital P. This one is the small p, the lowercase p. And going right in. Yes. Now, Q and Q. Big Q is green and small q is orange. Q, Q. Going right in. Let's do this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Oh, we're doing so good. You guys are amazing. I am looking for R. Look at R. R is purple. And I'm looking for my lowercase r. Found it. Big R is purple and small r is yellow. R. R. I love the letter R. There we go. Now S. Can you say S? S and S. High five, my friend. Big S is blue and small s is green. Whoop! Right in there. Our puzzles are coming along so well. Yay! We have T and T. Would you like a cup of tea? Yes, please. Look, big T is orange and small t is green. Yay! Right in there and here. Great job. Now you. How are you guys? You're doing great? It's challenging, but you're doing it. You're doing so good. Light blue, dark blue. Big U, small u. You. You. You are amazing, and thank you for helping. And now, V. V. Teal and light blue. How are you, V? Good. I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been? Oh, I'm doing good. Look, I'm just going to my puzzle. I'll see you later, okay? Okay. I'm going to my puzzle too. Bloop, 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 bloop. Yay! Look at this. What is this? W and a W. Hi, my friend. Hello. How are you doing? I'm orange. I'm pink. Yes, big W and small W. High five. Woo! Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. We need X. And here we go. Here we go. Red. High five, my friend. Yay. Look, big X, small x. X. I'm going to go to my puzzle, and I'm going to go to my puzzle. See you later, my friend. Whoop. Right in there. And we have a Y and a Y. Why are you asking? Oh, I was just curious. Okay. Y and Y. Blue Y, orange Y. Y and Y. Bloop, bloop. Look, are you ready for this one? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay! Z is purple and small z is yellow. Hey, are you ready to do this? I am. You guys want to help? Come on, let's do this. And right in there. We did it. We did it. We completed our puzzles. Thank you so much for helping me, friends. Now, let's go over the ABCs when the puzzles are complete. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hey, you know both capital letters ABCs and lowercase letters ABCs. You did it. I'm so proud of you. See you next time.